Hello, Chris Green here with the Flood Insurance Guru, where we give you the confidence to purchase flood insurance the right way. In today's video, we're talking about flood map updates for Davis County, Texas. We're going to be talking about a lot of things here. First of all, when are these new maps going into place? We're going to be talking about the good, the bad, even the ugly, and can you fight these changes? So those are all things we're going to discuss in today's video. So today we're talking about Davis County, Texas, and these new flood maps. So when are these changes happening in place? Well, these changes go into place on September 15th, 2022 for Davis County. So let's talk about some good. The good is properties that are being moved out of the high-risk flood zone to the low risk. What does this mean? Well, this means that you may not be pounded by your mortgage company any longer because it's no longer required. Does that mean you should cancel your flood insurance if you have it? No. Remember, flood maps don't have that much to do with the true flood risk because they don't address things like excessive rainfall, which like areas like Dallas, Texas have really struggled with in 2022 and other areas as well. So talking about the bad. These are properties that are being moved from a low risk flood zone to a high risk. This means you're probably getting a letter from your mortgage company stating that it's now going to be required. And then the ugly. These are properties that are staying in. They're going from a high risk to a high risk. These are areas that could see higher premiums. Maybe areas that have been into a designated floodway now. So that's the good, the bad, and the ugly. So what about fighting these changes? Can you fight these changes? You absolutely can through a process called Letter of Map Amendment. And this is where you dispute with the National Flood Insurance Program or FEMA, and you show them that the lowest adjacent grade of your property, support of your property, is all above the base flood elevation. If you win, they'll move you back to that low risk flood zone. The benefits is, mortgage company no longer requires flood insurance. You could have a higher selling value for your property because while your neighbors have a requirement of flood insurance, you don't. So these are all things that could happen with this map change. So if you've got questions about these map changes in Davis County, Texas, when it's happening, what are your flood insurance options? Click below to visit our website, floodinsuranceguru.com. Remember, we're here to help you simplify flood insurance by giving you the confidence you need to buy flood insurance the right way. Thank you.